Order filled.
Okay guys, so we're currently long off this 1 minute bullish gap after seeing a clean displacement prior to the macro, and then as soon as we entered the macro we went long off that mitigation block which was resting on the edge of that 1 minute bullish gap as well. We're currently running only a 25 handle stop, which is obviously our max stop. In these market conditions right now, it's kind of hard to run a 25 handle stop and be valid. I mean, preferably you want to run the stop around the short-term low, but we've run our stop at the bottom part of this bullish gap here for 25 point. And let's see whether we get first DP. First DP is resting at 50 handles, which is at that short-term high. So at least we should see price go for that short-term high in order for this move to be valid. Once we take this previous short-term high here for price, then we're going to move our stops to the short-term low, or just above the short-term low around this area here once we take this short-term high. But as of now, make sure to leave your stops where they currently are, and we've taken the trade, so accept the risk. Okay, so once price draws towards that short-term high here at 55.5, if it takes it, then we're gonna move our stops to 527. Okay, move stops to 527. So we should see an acceleration in price higher and a continuation as we near first DP at 50 handles. Right here, you could take off 50% of your position because we are already up over our first DP, which is usually at 25. So up over 32 handles already. But first DP for me today is at 50 points. Alright, so risk free at this point. Move your stops to break even because you would have already secured 25 points. So move your stops at 53425. I need to edit this on Tradeovate, get that ready as well. Alright, that's it right there.
Order filled.
Make sure you close out 50% of your position. Make sure to edit your stops at break even immediately. Otherwise, let's get some W's in the chat. Guys, let's spam the W's in the chat. I want to see it like we used to see on YouTube. That's 50 points secured at first TP. So that's usually our second TP. So easy 50 points secured. And guys, wait until you see the price action next year. It's going to be disgusting. The amount of money we're going to be making, you guys are honestly not ready. We have the best months coming up. So make sure stay tuned and be ready for next year. So make sure 50% closed out. We should see a continuation of this bullish gap, but if it takes us out of break even, then who cares? We've already secured 50 points in this volatile price action, which we're currently seeing. And there you go, taken out at break even for us there.
Order filled.
Done. 50 points secured, easy as that. We didn't trade yesterday, we come back today, we secure 50 points, too easy. First DP at that short-term high, obviously, because that's the first draw on liquidity, and then price came back to break even, took us out, inverse that bullish gap, so we can probably see price continue lower and draw towards sell side and just continue in its bearish trend. So today I took it on full position size. The amount of money made today, amount of patience, discipline, everything played into the account of being profitable today, of course, but the amount of money made today is disgusting. Guys, how much have you made today? Throw it inside the chat. Let's see anyone over $1,000, $10,000. How much is everyone making? Even people who are making $100, who cares? That's more than anyone makes in their day-to-day job anyway. 1.8k, 1.7k, 5k, 3.9k, 1,000, 689, 1.3, 4,000, 133. Don't worry, I'm saying only $133. That's great. Any profit, it doesn't matter how much you're making money, and more than majority of people making a day anyway. 1.6k, 97k, 400, 250. Crazy gains. And I mean, it's only first TP anyway, but with full position size, we'll take it. And luckily, I got that trade on screen record as well, so I'm going to upload that on YouTube. Anyone who wants to recap and rewatch that stream from today, I'll upload it on YouTube for you guys as well, and I'll send it off to my editor so we can get that in real format as well. Someone said made 150 1-to-1, second trade hit break even. Alright guys, we are going to be back tomorrow as well. We are done for the day at this point. You guys already know. Someone said they passed another 50k account. I mean, people are passing accounts on the daily at this point, and I've secured another Apex payout, so it's getting disgusting. I mean, just towards the end of the year, and I've just secured another Apex payout. So I'm going to be submitting that once Apex close their books today and update on their website. So I'll submit that and upload the screenshots of the top step payouts as well. So guys, have a great rest of your day, and we will be trading tomorrow for the AM session as usual. Obviously only Wednesday was the only day we had off this week, and we'll be back tomorrow. So guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll speak tomorrow.